Hi, this is Dave the Tech Guy. Today I'm going to show you how to use your iPhone to make a home budget. Okay, a budget for yourself. Here we go. So your iPhone already has an app where you can very easily do this. The app is called Numbers. So we need to find the Numbers app. All right, that is what the Numbers app looks like. Okay, so you're going to find the Numbers app on your phone. It comes pre-installed on all iPhones, and if you happen not to have it, you can download it for free from the App Store. But this is what the Numbers app looks like. So press on Numbers. When Numbers comes up, it offers two choices: new spreadsheet or choose a template. Let's just do new spreadsheet. So touch new spreadsheet. Okay, we have a spreadsheet. Now, it's important to notice that this is column A, this is column B, this is column C. This is row 1, that's row 2, and that's row 3. This is the way all of the rectangles, which are called cells, each of the rectangles has a letter for its column and a number for its row. So this one, for instance, is B7. If you look up top, B is highlighted, and if you look along the left, 7 is highlighted in blue as well. So that tells you exactly where you are. This is A3, that is C7, this is C4. Okay, so that's how things are mapped out in a spreadsheet. So we have to do a home budget. So let's, first of all, label it. So up here, it says Table 1. So click on Table 1. Okay. Now, it says Table 1, but we want it to say Home Budget. So down the bottom, click on the keyboard icon. So touch keyboard. Okay. Now we can just delete Table 1 and type in Home Budget. Okay. And down on the right, we can press Done. So press Done. All right. So a home budget is basically the money coming in minus the money going out. So what's the money coming in? Your income, right? What are you making? So press on A3. Okay, so touch A3. All right, and then down the bottom, we're going to touch the keyboard icon again. So touch keyboard. Touch keyboard. Okay, so this is income. How much money are you making? Right? This is one of the basic problems with doing a budget is that some things are weekly expenses and some things are monthly expenses like rent. What we're gonna we're gonna do the whole month. So this is income for an entire month. Touch on B3, okay? B3. Touch B3, okay. Now we're typing in income, so we need to change to the numbers. So touch 1, 2, 3. Touch the numbers. Okay, what would be a reasonable monthly income? After taxes, let's say $3,000. All right. So we've got our income. And then we have, that's the money coming in. And then we have a whole bunch of expenses. What's a common expense? Well, first of all, let's touch A5. So touch A5. And this is going to be rent. So we need to touch the letters. So touch ABC. And type in rent. This is the rent. Okay, we need to touch B5. And we need to put in the rent. What is the monthly rent? Right, so it's a number, so we need to touch on numbers. So touch 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's say the rent for, this is, I'm doing a home budget for an individual. So let's say the rent is $1,200. Okay. Now let's touch A6 and put in the next expense. You know, we have our income and now we're subtracting out the expenses. So we have rent and now we have car payments. Okay, so let's touch ABC and type in car payments. Car payment. All right, so we've got to make payments on the car. What would be a realistic car payment? How about $495? All right, so let's get some more expenses in there. So touch A7. Car insurance. All right, let's touch B7 and touch numbers. So touch numbers, touch 1, 2, 3, and a car payment of $375. Let's touch A8, put in another expense. Electricity. So touch the letters, ABC, touch letters. Electricity. Electric payments is going to be numbers, so touch 1, 2, 3, touch the numbers. $157. All right. Lots of expenses, right? So let's touch A9. So touch A9. And we'll type in gas. So they got a car, they have car payments, car insurance, and of course gas. So let's touch B9. So touch B9. And let's say they spend $100 a month in gas. It certainly adds up, doesn't it? But hey, you got to eat, right? So touch A10. Touch A10, and now touch ABC. So touch ABC and type in groceries. Now touch B10 and for groceries. For a whole month, $250. Now let's type in touch A11. We'll do one more expense, so touch A11. And since we're going to do cell phones, so let's touch ABC. Touch ABC. Touch the letters. And cell phone. Gotta have that cell phone. So we got cell phone, touch B11. And cell phone payments is a number, so touch numbers, touch 1, 2, 3. Per month, let's say 60. Okay. Now touch A13 so we can figure out what the bottom line is. What is the bottom line? The bottom line is your income minus... Hi, this is Dave the Tech Guy. This video is too long, so I cut it in half, and there is a second part. Please proceed to the second part of this video.